Clearly, something was very angry. But it is very strange that he is hitting the door with a hammer or something. I don't think he needs to hit the door so hard. No matter how right he is in the wrong right now. It was not a hammer in his hand, it was a gun. I hope the police arrived in time. This trio is pointlessly trying to get to the roof right in front of the door. What is their purpose? If the owner of their house goes out, they will be caught. He almost fell down because they broke something on the roof. His mother used something and went to her neighbor's door with whom she had an argument, disturbing them and causing the neighbors to call the police. When his son heard the police, he immediately took his mother and walked away.
I don't stop. Wait, be careful, please. Your foot, please. Mama. Yeah, Mama. Relax, please. Mama, please, Mama. I know. Come on. I know. Please.
At first, a strange man tampers with the doorbell camera. This tampering person is actually a police officer. Is this how the police approach a house? He walks around as if he were a thief. Finally, the police officer next to him thinks of showing his ID.
Hi, it's Officer.
What do you need?
Everything I said was gonna happen.
What can I help you
Are
with?
you home? Are you home?
What business of it is yours?
This is the police. Are you home?
What's the reason for your visit?
We are investigating a homicide. We were gonna see if your camera caught any evidence.
I only get notifications if you're by the front door. I haven't received any notifications.
Okay. It doesn't reach out to the street?
Nope, just to the sidewalk, just inside the sidewalk.
Okay. Thank you, sir. We appreciate it.
Yep, sorry, can't be in.
What would you do in such a situation when you were faced with the images of a young man being arrested because of his friend?
This one, they were trying to file a put on me over there in the Bronx. She was trying to file a court, so we had to have a family dinner. She get out of the car and call me a bitch and start saying all type of rest of the
Come through, don't shoot me. I'm on the road. I ain't on the road. I'll take hands on me.
I'm taking the car keys.
Alright.
You got anything in the pockets? You want me to take your phone or you got it?
Your phone? Yeah.
You know it's gonna get voucher, right?
It's gonna get voucher.
Even if he says he didn't do it, the police arrest him. A bear must have been open because he could probably smell whatever was inside a small hut. The bear started from the small hut and ran away when he heard a sound. Nothing happened, at least to the hosts. This is the first time I've seen a house explode like this. Although the reason is not known exactly, take precautions against such situations. What could be the result of such a huge explosion? An unknown person pours something in front of the house. The material you pour should not be flammable. What do you think what he spilled could be? This person is most likely under the influence of a substance, and they called the police because he was disturbing the homeowners. Let's watch what this man is doing.
I boogie in you. Boogie in you. Boogie. I boogie. A boogie. And boogie. Boogie. A boogie. Oh, shit, boogie. Oh, shit, boogie. Boogie! Ah, shit, sir. Shit! Boogie! Ah, shit, boogie! Ah! Ow, boogie! Ow! Oh! Shit, boogie! Sir. Oh, boogie! Oh, bitch! Oh, you bitch ass nigga! Oh! Oh! Sir. Oh! Ah! Oh! Shit, motherfucker! Oh! 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 Shit! Oh! I did! Oh! You motherfucker! Oh! Hey man, just fuck off. Fuck off me. Hey man,
police department. You good?
Oh shit. Man, get this motherfucker off me, man.
We are dealing with a cargo theft. The woman takes it as her own cargo and leaves. It's strange how calm she is. After checking around, they called the other team and hijacked the car. Also, they don't miss normal vehicles. They miss luxury vehicles. A woman, angry at her husband, took the seat and smashed every part of his car.
Leave right here. What's her name? I said, please.
A man with suspicious behavior is disturbing the landlords, but he has no idea what will happen next. The cops will surround you.
On the ground! Do not reach for that gun, you understand me? Get on the ground now! On the ground! Hands behind your back, goddammit! Get on the ground! Watch this now. Go the back, go the back! Alright, how much story?